Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2015 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. This vehicle has 38,000 miles on it, flag mounts and staffs, no strobes in the front, but we can add those at the time of purchase if you'd like to add them. Upgraded wheels, brand new tires on all four wheels as you can see on this vehicle. It is black with a silver stripe and that beautiful tuxedo top, very traditional here at Parks Superior Sales. It does also have B and C pillar chrome throughout, along with some load door chrome that was added on as well, and I'll show you that when we get to the back door. Opening this fully composite number 2 door here, you can see the church truck compartment is a closed well. However, it does have a trap door, so you get the best of both worlds on this one. You can flip that thing right up or place it back down. That gives you the flexibility to store that church truck vertically or horizontally under the table. You also have an umbrella storage area down below on the bottom right. You can use that for umbrellas or anything else your heart desires. However, it is separate from the rest of the compartment just to give you some organization. On the floor here, you do have what's called XTS Burl. It's a Burl floor. It's a brown texture with a gray and black accents throughout the rear coach compartment. Overall, the table has held up very well, and you'll see that when we open the rear load door. But last to note on this door is you do have 2 chrome nameplate holders. They're mirrored on the driver's door as well. That lets you display your funeral home's nameplates. It does come with a thumb screw. Sometimes those are stolen. However, this one does have it. Crown band on the outside to wrap off the front of the vehicle. Just accentuates this tuxedo top even more. This is that load door stainless that I talked about. It's not a very popular option, but you can tell a customer is taking care of their vehicle well when this is added, because this is a very premium option. Opening this composite rear load door on this Platinum Phoenix, you're greeted with a bifold carpet. You can pop this thing right down, but just watch out. You're going to hide that backup camera that's integrated down here in the license plate frame. No parking sensors on this vehicle, but there is a backup camera that does show up in the front, and I'll talk about that when we get into the driver's seat. Once again, bifold carpet folds down. You have that beautiful Burl floor with the light gray and black rear interior. Your quick adjust beer pins stored off on the far right. That way it's out of the way when loading a casket. The door does swing plenty far away enough to be able to pass that casket in. No matter how big your pallbearers are, it will slide in nice and easily. This bumper carpet is held on by snaps, so if you don't like it, you can always remove it. Some customers love it, some customers do not. However, the snaps do let you be able to replace it in the field if you ever need be down the road. As we walk to the driver's side over here, once again, you can take a peek at that crown band and all this beautiful B and C pillar stainless chrome that matches that rear load door chrome. You can pop open this number 2 door on the driver's side and look at that beautiful matching spare tire that's tucked away with its nice neat little cover on this side. You also get a flip up door. So once again, best of both worlds. You get the closed well when you need it, when you're putting flowers over top of this or chairs or anything. And you also get the flexibility to open it up to grab that spare tire nice and easily. Jack and toolkit is off to the right of the spare tire, and you do get that nice, beautiful embroidery on the side door card. Closing this fully composite door, you're going to take a peek at this beautiful LED coach lamp wrapped in chrome on the outside with platinum emblems throughout. And then you're going to jump into the driver's seat here. So you're going to get black leather, a black carpet, black leather wrapped steering wheel, power tilt column, the whole 9 inside this nice 15 XTS. So let's jump inside and take a peek. Sitting inside this 2015 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix, you have a leather wrapped steering wheel, as I mentioned on the exterior, power telescoping and tilt column, automatic headlights, cruise control on your left, media controls on your right, paddle shifters if you're feeling sporty. Push button start up here on the dash, touchscreen infotainment, AM FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth for both phone calls and to play music. You do not get Apple CarPlay until you step into a 16, so please take note of that. You do get a nice little hideaway compartment in here. Gives you 1 USB in the back right and a nice tray to be able to store any items you may need. Please remember that this display also will show your backup camera when you put this thing in reverse. Center column shifter, dual zone climate control, very standard. You do get a nice cigarette outlet port up front if you need to plug in a aftermarket navigation. Unfortunately, this vehicle does not have navigation. No 13 to 19 XTS Hearse got navigation, so please take note of that. 2 cup holders right here. You do get a key fob, so there's no physical key for this car. Lock, unlock, and a remote start is built into the key. Center console wise, you have 2 USB ports in the front and center right here, along with an auxiliary port. Just additional plugging in and additional power for you as the driver. Both the driver's seat and the passenger seat are fully powered and black leather. This vehicle is pre-wired for strobes, however it does not have strobes, as we mentioned in the exterior. The switch for that's up here. If you want to add strobes, we can easily do that during the purchase process. We are very much set up to do 2-way, 4-way, 360 strobes in any color you'd like. White and purple are traditional. However, if you want to do amber, we can do amber as well. Overall, this interior of this vehicle with only 38,000 original miles is immaculate. There's not a scratch on the floor or anything. All the hard texture plastics are in really nice condition, considering the vehicle's age. Let's jump outside, and thank you very much. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 2015 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. Once again, this vehicle has 38,000 miles on it. Every single piece of chrome you can ask for, including that rear low door chrome and the crown band. Tuxedo top, black with a silver stripe, and that beautiful Burl rear interior floor with that bifold carpet, just to protect that rear bumper over the lifetime of the coach. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, please give me a call at 800-229-5008 or visit us at parkspirit.com, where you can see the phone number again, along with 80+ photos of this vehicle, a walk-around demo, and this beautiful demo right here. Once again, thank you very much, and I look forward to speaking with you.